Hello, everyone. Welcome to our review class from the Philippines, our practitioners from the Philippines. And for today, let's welcome all the way from Bulacan, Sir Mark.
Yes, Doc.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
Okay, what are she cleft points?
This is the points in these cells meridians where chi and blood is deeply converged. Through the structure's anatomy, the vessels tends to get blocked and flow to is restricted.
Okay, so this is very good for relieving pain fast. How many she cleft are there in total?
Total is sixteen total. One of the each 12 meridians plus one of each yang yin wei, yang wei.
So only four of the eight extraordinary vessels have she cleft points. So it's 12 plus 4, 16. What are the functions of she cleft points?
The fractures of chiclets points is easily released severe deep stagnations called emergent point. On yang channels pain, on yin channels blood.
Okay, for young channels, the function of the she cleft would be alleviate pain. And on the yin channels, they are supposed to improve the blood flow or nourish blood. Okay, what is the use of bladder 63?
Ginagamit po ang bladder 63 po kapag sobrang tindi na ng low back pain po. Acute low back pain.
Have you tried using this, Sir Mark?
Yes, doc. Yes, doc.
What about stomach 34?
It is used for the abdominal pain for stomach 34.
Okay, so minsan you just have to press on the point to actually make sure that your diagnosis is correct, di ba? Stomach 34.
Yes, doc.
Siya. What about SI6?
XI6, if you have a problem in neck and shoulder pain, you can use this point, doc.
Yeah.
Can alleviate the pain easily.
Okay. So it treats both neck and shoulder kasi because of the presence of that big muscle. What do you call that big muscle? Starts with the letter T.
Transversus muscle, doc.
Oh, ang galing naman. Okay. Okay, lung 6. Para saan ang lung?
Ah, Lungs is it used for coaching blood, yung mana ng dugo na, doc.
Okay, but you have to be careful, di ba? Usually, if may iron deficiency yung pasyente mo, most likely TB yan. No?
Yes.
So you have to wear mask. Spleen 8.
Spleen it is used for the menstrual disorder, doc, due to the stagnations.
Okay, very good. What about kidney 5?
Kidney fight, ammonia, absence of menstruations during the kidney deficiency.
Okay, amenorrhea. No. Okay, fill in the blanks. The Shiklet points are where
The chicklets points are chi and blood is to accumulate, doc.
or converge. Yeah. Shiklet points treat what kind of conditions? Acute or chronic?
Uh, this is the acute, doc.
Shiklet points of the yin channels also treat disorders of the blank.
The blood.
Yes. Shiklet points are usually paired with.
Eight influence points, doc.
Okay. So it's not enough that you should only use Shiklet. You should also pair it with the influential points. What is felt at the Shiklet points if there is a problem with the organ or meridian?
If you have the problem in the organs and meridians, has a tenderness, doc.
Okay, where are Shiklet points located?
For the distal knee and elbow,
Distal to the knee and elbow. Malayo-layo siya. What is the function of the Shiklet points on the second ancestry vessels?
it prevents pathology from moving back to the first street, doc.
What is the one locational exception among the Shiklet points? Ibig sabihin, there is one point that is an exception in terms of location.
Stomach 34 is proximal to the knee, doc.
Okay, so don't forget that. Pag may stomach pain, masakit yung area na yan. What can you do with Shiklet points to aid in diagnosis?
I'm going to have a palpitations, doc.
Palpation.
Palpation.
Bakit biglang na-palpit?
Palpations pala.
So, ouch. Okay. Delete. She claimed points treat acute stage conditions and pain of what kind?
All kinds of pains, doc.
All kinds. Good. She claimed points of the yin channels treat what?
Chicken points to treat for blood disorder, doc.
Lung she cleft point is
Pag lang pinag-uusapan, lang 6, doc.
LI she cleft point.
LI 7,
Stomach she cleft point.
stomach 34.
Spleen she cleft point.
Um, spleen 8, doc.
Heart she cleft point.
Ito yung heart 6.
Small intestine she cleft point.
Um, SI 6.
Bladder she cleft point.
Unibladder 63.
Kidney she cleft point.
Kidney 5.
Pericardium she cleft point.
Pericardium 4.
San Xiao she cleft point.
Stanjaw 7.
Gallbladder she cleft point.
Gallbladder 36, doc.
Liver she cleft point.
Liver or liver 6.
Okay, liver 6. Yin Wei she cleft point.
Kidney 9.
Yang Wei she cleft point.
GB 35.
Yin Chao she cleft point.
Kidney 8.
Yang Chao she cleft point.
Bladder 59.
Okay, she cleft points are also known as
Chicken plums also known as accumulation points, doc.
yeah or emergency points. What does she generally refer to? Oh, anong ibig
Um,
sabihin?
this
Hmm.
this is the narrow opening or pathway, doc.
What are she cleft points? If somebody will ask you.
Kapag yung channel po niya, doc, is kumikitad or narrow, has tendency to form blockage and accumulate chi and blood, doc.
What are the two general functions of she cleft points?
First is to facilitate the movement of chi, to alleviate pain, eliminate swelling, especially young channel. Redirect counterflow to stop bleeding, especially yin channel, doc.
Good. What is lung 6 useful for?
For the lung six is if the patient has if the patient has a pain in the chest, lungs with cocking of blood, doc.
What is the medical term for coughing of blood?
And is
Hemoptysis.
the Henok, ano mo, doc?
Hemoptysis. Google it.
Hemoptysis.
Okay. Location of lung 6. Nasaan ang lung 6?
On the palmar side of the forearm, on the line connecting lungs 9 and lungs 5 and 7, kun above the transverse crest of the wrist.
7 above the transverse crease of the wrist on the line connecting lung 9 and lung 5. What is PC4 useful for?
If the man has a problem with flow in the coronary arteries, doc.
What do you expect to see under the tongue?
Um, pag may coronary problem, kulay pula or stagnations, doc.
Okay.
Violet.
Okay. Sige, go. Location ng PC4.
0.5 kun above the transverse crest of the wrist on the connecting PC3 and P7 between the tendons of palmaris, longus, and flexors capillaris po, doc.
Di ba 5 soon?
5 kun po.
Yeah, 5 soon. Okay. What is heart 6 useful for?
If the person has a night sweat caused by the heart blood deficiency.
Okay. Bakit nagna-night sweat ang pasyente? Like, what usually happens pag gabi? And why is it that some patients,
Ah,
like, may heartine deficiency, may ano? Bakit nag-night sweat?
Siyempre, doc, may blood deficiency, di dumadalo ang dugo niya sa katawan niya.
So, hindi siya makapag-conserve. Nandun lang sa labas. Kaya mainit pa.
Yes po, doc. Nainitan siya.
Location of heart 6.
Um, When the palm applies upward, the point of in found 0.5 cone by the transverse crease of the wrist, the radial sides of the tendon of flexor scapularis po, Doc.
Okay, good. Zero point 0.5 soon. What is spleen 8 useful for?
Spleen 8 is the use for treats menstrual pain due to the relative excess side, chi, and blood stagnations.
Did you use this on patients, female patients?
Minsan, Doc.
Okay, ngayon gamitin mo na. Okay.
Uh,
Menstrual pain na excess. Okay, location of spleen 8.
3, tuned below spleen 9 on the line connecting spleen 9 and the medial malleolus.
What is kidney 5 useful for?
And kidney 5 is used for treat excess type stagnations in the kidney or bladder causing slower abdominal pain, often stones.
Okay. Usually, pag may bladder stone, pag masakit na masakit, it can help relieve, but it cannot totally
Kidney
remove it. Okay, kidney 5 location.
1, tuned directly below the kidney 3 in the depressions anterior and superior to the medial diversity of the calcaneus po, Doc.
Okay. What is liver 6 for?
Um, tends to affect the middle burner blood distribution in general, Doc.
Location ng liver.
For liver 6 locations, 7 tune above tip of the medial malleolus on medial side and near medial border of the tibia.
Okay, LI7 para saan?
Pag LI7, sore throat, Doc.
Have you tried it?
Yes, Doc.
Location ng LI7.
Locations. When the elbow flex, the points is spined on the radial sides of the forearm. 5 kun above LI5 on the connecting LI5 and LI11.
Okay, para saan ang stomach 34?
For stomach 34, for stomach pain po, Doc.
Okay, location of stomach 34.
Stomach 34, 2 kun above the lateral superior border of the patella, found with the knee flexed.
Who is the neighbor of stomach 34? Which is also very good for stagnation.
Stomach 36.
O hindi neighbor.
And neighbor
That
pa ako,
means,
Doc.
ano, stomach 34 sa lateral
The
medial.
lateral.
Lateral medial. Sorry, lateral superior. The medial superior would be this point. What do you call that point? It's a spleen point.
Spleen.
Definitely, it's not spleen 9. Kasi nasa ano, di ba? So what do you call that point?
And
Yes, very good. Spleen 10. Okay,
Spleen
when you
10.
study points, you should always remember the other points. Yung mga close opposition yan, no? Para mabilis. What is SI6 useful for?
Used for the severe pain along the SI channel po, Doc.
So this is only for the SI channel, not the organ itself. Location of SI6.
On dorsal side of wrist in the bony cleft on the radial side of the styloid process of the ulna po, Doc.
Okay. What is bladder 63 used for?
This is used for the painful UTIs po, Doc.
Yeah, aside from the low back pain, no? Syempre, pag may
Yes.
may low back pain ka na. Okay, bladder 63 location.
Anterior and inferior to bladder 62 in the depressions posterior in the tuberosity of the fifth metatarsal bone, Doc.
Okay, good. Indication of the cleft point of the lung meridian.
Indications for acute infections of the upper airway, hemoptysis for the lungs 6.
What is hemoptysis?
Yung sumusuka ng dugo.
Hindi sumusuka.
Ano
coughing,
yan, Doc?
Umuubo
coughing.
ng dugo.
Cupping po ba, Doc? Cupping.
Anong term ng sumusuka ng dugo?
Uh,
Nasa ulo ko na eh. May TB na.
Nung may TB, sumusuka ng dugo is different from umuubo ng dugo. Research. Hemato blank.
hemato, hema-
Hematosis.
hematon- Hematemesis.
Yes, wow, galing
Hematemesis.
naman. Wow, galing. So mag-medicine na kayo. Okay. Indication of the she cleft point of PC.
Accused for chest pain.
Okay. What about the she cleft point of the heart channel?
Acute for cardiac pain.
What about she cleft point of LI meridian?
Acute abdominal pain or acute boborgimus.
Ano ba yun? Acute borborygmus. Kaya kay
Borborgimus.
sister, kay si, di pa man sister Rose.
Ko.
What is borborygmus, Sir Mark?
Kalimutan ko na to
Ay
eh.
nako, hindi mo pwedeng kalimutan, nakakahiya. Okay. She cleft point of the Sanxiao triple liter meridian.
Three per heater meridians po is seizure, deafness, or acute epilepsy.
She cleft point of the SI meridian.
Neck and shoulder pain, SI6, doc?
Is it good for treating SI organ?
Yes, doc.
No. It will only treat the channel. Channel lang yan eh.
Oo
Neck
nga
and
pala,
shoulder.
dyan.
Okay, she cleft point of the stomach meridian.
Stomach 34, acute epigastric pain po, doc.
Okay. What about the she cleft of gallbladder meridian?
Kapag bladder, di ba, liver, yang rising.
Okay. Ano ba nangyayari pag may liver yang rising ka?
Di mati ang ulo mo, lagi kang galit, doc. Sa,
Ka-
lagi kang nagbe-blowing.
Nakaka-relate ka ba nito?
Yes, doc. Pero binabawasan ko, nag-acupuncture po ako, nag-Shenmen ako, Heart 7, tsaka Yin Tang, tsaka Do 20.
Ah, okay. What about the bladder meridian, she cleft?
UB63, headache, epilepsy, or seizures, heel pain.
Okay, good. What about the she cleft of the spleen meridian?
Spleen 8, abdominal pain or diarrhea, menstruation disorder.
Liver meridian, she cleft.
Pag liver meridian chisle po, hernia,
What is hernia? What is it in
buwa,
Tagalog?
Prolapse.
buwa,
Prolapse.
buwa,
She cleft
Prolapse.
point of the kidney meridian.
um, kidney pipe, irregular cycle, ammoneria.
Ano nun?
And
Amenorrhea. Okay.
Ammoneria.
Diyos ko, tatawanan tayo ng pasyente. You don't even. Ah,
Nakabahan ako, Dok eh.
amenorrhea. Okay. How do you ask in Tagalog, amenorrhea?
spotting.
Meron ka bang,
Kulang sa
meron, meron bang nag-i-spot ba sa'yo? Parang ganito.
Walang mens.
Hello?
Hindi ka nagme-mens. Okay, what about the shikla of the Yang Chow meridian? Hmm.
Lumbosacral pain, Doc.
What about the Yin Chow meridian?
Yin Chow is irregular cycle.
Okay, she cleft of the Yang Wei meridian.
Fullness of chest.
She cleft of the Yin Wei meridian.
Pag
Excuse
yun
me.
yung meridians, hyperactivity, Doc.
Okay, multiple choice. She cleft points are where the chi and blood.
Gather and go deep, Doc.
Okay, or converge. What four extra channels have she cleft points?
Extra channels po is Yin Kiao, Yin Wei, Yang Kiao, Yang Wei.
Can you tell us the English equivalent of each channel?
Kakaloka.
Alam ito ni
Masakit ulo ko.
Ma'am Tricks.
Ma'am Trix, tulungan mo naman ako.
Because memorizing, you don't even.
Nasa isang sulatan ko yan, ma'am.
linking and ano yung isa?
Alin dyan si linking?
Si
In
Wei.
Yang Minwei.
Si
Okay, sige
Wei.
na lang. Saan si motility, saan si linking?
Di ba si Chow si motility?
Ah,
Or
okay.
baliktad?
She points on the yin channels treat what specifically?
No.
Well, lung 6,
Lang 6.
heart 6, SI 6. No, sorry, heart 6 lang pala. Kidney 5. What else does it take care of? Like, why do you use Shiklet points on the yin channels for?
The tree.
Blood.
Blood. Okay.
Blood.
So okay. Shiklet points on the yang channels treat what specifically?
In pain, doc.
Shiklet an influential point combination for stomach ache.
Combinations for stomach 34 and REN 12.
Yeah, memorize this combination. Okay. So we usually combine Shiklet and the influential. What about which channels do not have Shiklet points?
Du, Ren, Chong, Dai channel do not have cheek left points.
What is the English name for Thai channel? Mom tricks.
uh,
Saan siyan si Girdle?
gr- girdle meridian
Yes.
belt belt
Yeah.
meridian.
Which of the four is the girdle meridian or the belt channel?
Die.
Yes. What about the chong, the chung?
Chong
What is
is
the English name?
uh,
Starts with letter P, the li.
uh, ano-
Okay, sige, let's do. What about the do?
penetrating. Ayun. Penetrating.
Penetrating. Okay. What is the influential point for the Zhang organs?
Liver 13, fourth move point of the spleen, also great points for treating liver issue, represents all Zhang's organ.
Okay, liver 13. So, what is the spleen she cleft that you will pair it with? Liver 13 plus. Ay, ano na? For dysmenorrhea, excess. If you have a
Mhm.
patient complaining of dysmenorrhea na excess,
Spleen 8.
spleen 8, very good.
Spleen 8.
Okay, what about the influential point of the Fu?
Ren 12, fourth move point of the stomach, treats stomach, small intestine, large intestine, digestive system, doc.
Okay, Ren 12, combine it with what point? What she cleft?
Stomach 34.
34.
Okay, what about the Chi? Influential point for Chi.
Ren 17, C of Chi, regulate the movement of Chi. Lungs and stomach counterflow of Chi, doc.
Okay, influential point for the blood.
UB 17, pwede imoxa, doc.
Okay, influential point for the tendon.
GB 34, right around the area, helps with joints.
Okay, what is the Chi cleft of the GB?
Mm,
Kalimutan na. Hala.
66. 63.
Anong
UB 6, hindi,
GB?
UB
No, no,
59.
wait,
Hindi.
wait.
Sabi
60,
GB.
36. Wait, mali.
GB34 is the influential point of the tendon. What I'm asking is what is the Chi cleft point of the GB? Dali. GB35?
36.
Okay, GB36. Okay, what is the influential point for the vessel?
Lungs 9, right by where we feel the pulse, doc.
Okay. Influential point for the bone.
UB 11, T1 called big bone.
Influential point for the marrow.
GB39 gallbladder is liquid marrow commonly used to treat stroke patients.
Okay. If you do not want to have a stroke, what will you always do twice a week or 3 times a week, especially if you're a candidate for stroke? Aside from using GB39, what is a very important point to Moxa? Ano ba yung una nating inaral na point? Which is located below the knee.
Stomach.
Stomach 36. Okay?
36,
So yung mga ayaw ma-stroke,
Lazozandi.
yes, GB39 plus stomach 36. Okay, what is the concept of influential points?
The vital essence and energy of Zangfu, Qi, blood, tendon, vessels, bone marrow are converged.
So there are 8 of them. Indications.
Indications, treat 8 organs, issue problem related to Zangfu, Qi, blood, tendon, vessels, bone, and marrow disease.
Okay. What do influential points affect?
Uh, Effect of the structures and fundamental substances.
Where is the location of the 8 influential points?
On the limbs and the trunk, doc.
What point also treats anemia?
Ano ko lang sa dugo? GB39.
Okay, so para hindi ma-stroke, will you combine it with what will you combine with?
Bladder 17.
Okay. And also stomach 36, di ba?
36 years, doc.
What point treats pain in the neck, shoulder, and back?
Neck and shoulder is bladder 11, doc.
What point is superior to all back points?
Superior taas. Bladder 11.
What point treats disorders of vessels like coughing of blood?
Lungs 9.
That's the influential point. So what will you combine it with? Di ba influential point to? So lung 9 plus what? Especially kung may TB.
Lungs 7.
Anong lung 7?
Lungs 9.
Lung 6.
6.
Remember, she left.
Oo nga. Check
What
lang.
point will also treat vasculitis?
Lungs 9.
What point harmonizes song chi and blood in the vessels?
Lungs 9.
Wow, congratulations, Sir Mark. Thank you so much.
Thank you po, doc.
Thank you for joining. Wait lang. I hope everybody got that, no?